Hi everyone, welcome to the Coding Zoo. If this is your first time joining us, my name is Shane, and this is our HTML building blocks lessons. In today's lesson, we're going to cover how to add images to your HTML document, how to use the image element. Let's go ahead and get started. So I've already created my lesson number 7 folder from my template. I'm going to right click, choose Edit with Notepad++. Great. Now let's go ahead and let's add an image. So the image element is less than img, and it has the attribute of source, src. Source is pointing to the image. So we have it. So your img is your image element. It has certain attributes. The attribute source points to the actual image file. So src equals and /, and I'm going to put images, images. Let's put my file name, /, let's see, Nick, Nick, at desk. I think it's a JPEG, JPG, and then close that attribute. And image is an empty element, so I'm going to go ahead and have a self-terminating tag, choose to save it. I'm going to right click, choose to open with my browser, and if we go here, you'll see there's nothing on my page, and that's because I actually have to put an image there. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to right click and create a folder, and we call it images. Before I put an image there, let's see what we can do in case your image gets deleted or something. I'm going to put an attribute called alt. So alt equals, and I'm going to put some text, Nick's image. Then in my double quote there, click save, click refresh. There you go. So when there's a image, when you have an image element and the image is missing, you can have some alt text that would show up in its place. That's what the alt attribute is used for. So that's one attribute for the image tag. Let's go ahead and put my image in place. So I put it underneath a folder called images. I created my images folder. Let me go ahead and put an image inside there and click refresh, and that did not work. So I got a little bug. Let's figure out what my bug is. Look at there, JPH. Smash that bug. All right. Click save, refresh, boom, and there's my image. And my text, my alt text should be gone now. Yep, it's gone. And man, that image is huge, right? So let's say I want to make it smaller. Let's go back to my image tag and a couple more attributes to learn on the image. Let's add height equals 100, width equals 100. Click save, click refresh. There we go. It's much smaller, kind of too small. Let's make it a little bigger. There we go, a little bit bigger. Kind of, it's of course the height and width don't match the actual image. So when you want to make something smaller, you know what? You don't even have to use the height. Just get rid of the height tag there. Choose width, so it'll be proportionate. Click refresh. There we go. Now the height is in line with the actual width. Still can't see it very well. I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger though. So set it to 400. Save it. Click refresh. There we go. Much better. So we have an image element that points to a file that will be displayed on your web page. There's an alt attribute to add alt text and you can set the width to change the size of the image, or you can just set the height. Either whichever one you want to set. Just make sure the image looks correct if you're going to set both. And that's it. That's your basic image tag. Not much to it. Very simple. Allows you to put nice images on your web page. Very cool stuff. All right. Thanks for joining us. Hope to see you next time. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and click that bell. And if you like this lesson, click like. We'll see you next time.